In today's video, I'm going to show you how much money that you need for you to start in My Defi Pet, and I'm going to give you some scenarios as well, okay, and the recommendation, my own recommendation on what capital, on how much capital that you need to put inside My Defi Pet. But first, before we start this video, please do subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict right here. As you can see, I do have 10,240. Please let's just get it up to 15,000 subscribers, okay? Please help me. Okay, so um we'll start with this part right here. My DeFi Pet is priced around 0.7431. So as of now, it goes way up. So if you've bought My DeFi Pet at around 0.3 or 0.4, you are really lucky because the current price of My DeFi Pet is around 0.74 as of this moment. So how much you actually need for you to start in My DeFi Pet? Okay, I would say you can start for at least one pet. So it is your own preference. Okay, you can start with one pet, you can start with two pets, you can start with three pets. Okay, however, in one cage, it can host up to 3D pets. So I would recommend, okay, my first recommendation, if you just want to just get a glimpse of the game, just start with 3 to 5 D pets. It is because since the breeding function will be available soon, probably you can just buy 5 and then just wait for the breeding function, and then you can just multiply it on that time as well. So in my case, okay, if you're going to buy $50 worth of My DPet, this is my sample computation that I've made for you guys so that you can see, okay, the current cost of playing this game. So there's also a gas fee when you are buying DPet, okay, when you are buying a pet, okay. So what's happening here is for every one egg, you need to have 3D pets. So for every one egg, you need to pay a really small transaction fee. So I would say for a $50 capital, you need to store at least $8 just entirely for the gas fees, okay, for the BNB gas fees. So we are pretty much lucky that we are using BNB, so the gas fees are not that expensive compared to Ethereum. So for the $50 capital, okay, so remove the $8 and then it gives you $42 here. So what you just need to do is just divide this by the current My DeFi Pet current price, and the current price is around 0.7449. So in my case, I've computed at 7,455, and roughly you will get 56.33 DPET, which translates to 18 eggs. So ideally in this case, okay, when you're buying a pet, okay, I'm going to show it to you right now. If you're buying this pet right here, for you to evolve this one, and I think for you to be able to breed this one, you need to evolve it. So when you're going to evolve it, you need at least 3D pet, okay, to make the pet grow to the next level, like level 11, and you will need to pay a small gas fees for that. So in this one right here, this is my own recommendation. Okay, you can not follow this one. I mean, this is just for new people who are trying to know the game. So for the 18 eggs, you actually want to buy 9 eggs, okay? So you want to actually push this at level 10, and then you reserve this 9 eggs, which is around 28 D pets to evolve your pet. So you need at least 3 D pet for this one. So for your 9 pets, okay? So for your 9 pets, you need to evolve it in for 3D pets. So that's going to give you a pretty much powerful team. So this is the sample computation here, and when you're evolving your pet, it is pretty much worth it. It is because you can get more silver per hour, and your pet will have a new look as well. So it is necessarily to evolve a pet. Not really. Okay, you can always have an option wherein you buy these 18 eggs for you just buy these 18 eggs. Okay, just buy a lot of pets, and then you can just evolve it later on. So it is your own discretion, but in my recommendation, I mean, if you really want to maximize the growth of your pet as well, since you're just starting, you can split this one for buying and to evolving. And also the downside, if you're going to evolve this one, okay, it is not really a downside, okay, is that the higher level your pet is, the more food uh, that you need to feed them. So I'm going to show you the level 16. Okay, this is the level 16 pet that I have here, which I need to feed it for around 163,000 D pet food. And of course, when it goes level 17, I need more. So that is the catch of this one. Okay, so you can do either way. You can either buy all pets. Okay, just level it up into level 10, and then when you're ready, you can just evolve it in one single go. So you can also start with $20. You can also start with $100. But as you can see here, I do have more than 31 pets. Okay, because I've bought it was when it was around 0.3. But this one right here, this logos that you're seeing, I've bought this was for around $1. So I've bought it when the pet is around 39,000, and that is why I'm pretty much enjoying the rarity of this pet. But right now, I think you can still get a rare pet by opening the pet as well. So by buying more. But I mean, I think this is a pretty much good start for me as well, because I'm already level 25, and I'm actually looking to upgrade everything my pet into this game as well, up to the max level if I can. Okay, and you can see here, you will actually need a lot of food when you are playing this one. It is because you can see here, this one is 10,000, this one is 2.5. Okay, I'm just going to upgrade this one. Okay, and it's just really there's really big amount of food that you just need. So that is it for this video, guys. I think I've answered your question about how much my DeFi pet that you actually need, and I'm also going to put this one into the description box, so maybe create a notepad wherein you can just view it as well. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you like this one. Please do subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict right here. I do have 10,240 subscribers. Please help me reach 15,000 this month. So that's it, and see you on the next one.